Again, welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm gonna show you a simple pop game. Here we're gonna start a game, and the balloon comes with changes its color with a random position. um if the score goes to 100, we will win this game. And this is very slow. There is only few there is only few scripts, so this is very easy. And for getting confused, we have even like this space city 2, and it has like this, and even this it mixes and we get confused, and that's the very trickiest part in this game. And here we gonna start. I'll just save it. Just a minute. I'll just save it. Just check it for a minute. Where is it? Very interesting question. Or whatever it might be. Yeah, we have a clicker game, and we're gonna go through our new. And so we must delete this cat sprite, and we must add a sprite, and that sprite would be balloon. You must rename it to just balloon, not balloon one. It won't be nice. And after that, we must paint, and we must go to the text and set this color to like this. I'll just show you in a minute how we change it. Like this color, and we must write you win with caps lock. We must change this to handwriting. I'll just show you the handwriting. Yeah, I'll show you how nice it will be. See, it's very nice, right? And so we'll write you win. Perfect. So we'll just make it. I'll just erase it for a minute. We'll just erase it. Not now. I did some whatever. We'll just undo, redo it. Yes, we'll continue from here. We'll go to our text. We'll delete it, and we'll type it again as you win. I wrote win. You win. Perfect. This is happening so many times. And so we'll just make it nice, big one. Here we go. Very nice, big and perfect. I'll just change it from here. You win. And so we'll just hide it. We'll hide it like this. When clicked, looks, and we'll hide it. I'll just show you now. Quick zoom out. Yeah, see there. And for the balloon, we must go to the events and take when green flag clicked. We'll just yeah, perfect. When green flag is clicked, I'll just tell you in a minute. It may take a few moments. Nope. We must go to the variables, and we'll delete this variable, and we'll make a variable, and the variable name would be score with caps lock. Score. And so we must set score to 0, and we must go to the events and take when this sprite is clicked. When this sprite clicked, start sound pop. we'll just take this and start sound. Pop is better. I think so. Don't need pop. We'll just change it by not by pop. We'll just change it to what can we change? We'll just nah. Squish pop. I think so. This is okay. Then we'll continue with squish pop. We'll just put it over here. Right. By now joining. Yeah. After that, change score by one, and we have another another script. When green flag is clicked forever. I'll also even come by face revels, and we must change num num num. Yeah, change color affected by 25 and go to random position. So that's very important. Go to random position or else we'll get confused and what's that and my wind is like this, so that's why I'm saying you that go to random position or else it won't work, guys. Okay, then after that, that script is over and we have another script, and we must when clicked we must show it because we're gonna hide it in a few minutes. And so we must go to the events and take when sprite when green flag is clicked, and we must go to the controls and take forever loop, and if done we must go to the operators and take equals to 40 and variables, and we must take the score and drag it and drop it over here, and we must hide it. Hide. I said you that's why, or else it will be just hidden and we can't play a game properly. So that's the reason. And after that we must go to the this win. We'll just rename this to win with the caps lock. And after that we hide it. We must go to the events and take when clicked, and just the same one only when clicked forever, or even we can drag and drop it away because that's only the same. We must not hide it. I'll just show you how we'll do that, how we gonna do that. Right, score equals to show we must show it. We'll just show it, and we must add a sounds. So not pop, we'll just delete it, and we must use the wins when. Yep, this one. And yeah, we got it. And play sound when until done, and we're gonna stop it all. That's why we put until done. So events, nope. In the controls we have stop all. We'll just stop it all. It will just stop all. And for the backdrop, we're gonna add. No, we'll just code this backdrop. We'll just when clicked in controls, we have to take forever. This is very important. That's why I zoomed a lot. And we must go to the sounds and pick a sound, and we must go to the effects. Nope, nope. Loops. We just choose this dance chill. It's it's very nice, and I only don't know whatever. I'll add a more dance chill out, dance chill out. Oh, this one dance chill out until done. When clicked and in a forever loop, it will be repeating forever. And we have even a code which will stop out, and we must add another backdrop. The backdrop would be, I'll just show you. Yeah, spacity 2, spacity 1 would be very nice. I'll just show you. We'll just drag this and put it in a position. We'll just double click the score, and it happens like this. And we'll just put it in the very middle and very top. I'll just show you how we'll put it. Where it will be perfect. Okay, then we'll put it down. Will down be perfect? Down in. We'll just put it over center. Yeah, this center is very perfect. So we'll just make it very nice by the sound with the music, which is very interesting. If people get headache, you may not use the sound. You won't get headache, you may use the sound. Yeah, see? The bird sounds came, and it was very perfect. So please like, share, subscribe, and if you are very new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon for my very latest videos of scratch tutorials. So still that time, be safe. Or okay guys, be very safe, stay home, stay safe. And if you're even very new, if you want a little, if you want some extra videos, or something is missing, or what is missing, or if you want some games tutorials, you can write it down below the comments. Alright then guys, don't forget to click on the like button, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for as per as show. As per as very in needed. So This video is just of 15 minutes. So bye guys. See you in my another video.